Today's my birthday, so can I have an A380 birthday cake?
Birthday cake?
Yeah.
I thought you want to make by yourself.
No.
No. What is that?
It's an aeroplane.
Airplane. What is that? Say again, kan? Sorry, mommy not concentration because mommy still doing this.
A380.
What? A380 Airbus?
Yeah.
What is that?
Emirates.
Emirates. Okay then. Oh my goodness me, Dallas, you just telling mommy today.
Yeah.
So, do you think mommy magic?
Yeah.
Okay. Udah, you want a birthday cake then?
Oh, this smells nice.
Yes, that is mommy donut. So, assalamualaikum, halo semuanya, dimanapun anda berada, semoga sehat selalu dan bahagia. So, do you want to celebrate with granddad tonight?
Yeah.
So, mommy make a cake.
Yeah.
Oh, anyway, happy birthday, Dallas. How old are you?
9.
Jadi pemirsa, ini saya lagi lagi mau siap-siap mau ngantar Dallas sekolah. Jadi pemirsa, karena hari ini ulang tahun Dallas. Last year when you birthday you give your fun is cookies, Yunileisure cookies. So this year gonna give people skincare.
Yeah.
So jadi pemirsa, karena hari ini Dallas berulang tahun ya. Jadi spesial harga beli 3 dapat 3 times 3
9.
yours birthday 9. Oke, jadi 3 kali 3 sama dengan 9, 3 tambah 3 sama dengan 6. Jadi yang beli 3 ini bebas mau pakai apa saja ya. Skincare lah beli 3 gratis 3 dapatnya 6. Oke, buruan jangan sampai ketinggalan. Silahkan dicek di Shopee Yunileisure Shop atau di Happy Skincare X Labelier maupun di Tokopedia. Dan juga bisa langsung WhatsApp saya. Ini saya tadi pakai lip serum ya. Udah ini jadi warnanya itu bagus. Paketnya itu ada face wash ya, ada toner, ada red gel. Ini favorit nih red gel. Ini dah red gel. You like this one also, Bikin? Yeah. Yes. Dan juga ada dye creamnya. Terus ada lip serum. Oke, jadi bagi pemirsa jangan sampai ketinggalan. Sekarang saya mau antar Dallas sekolah dulu, terus bikin kue ulang tahun. Oke, Dan?
Iya.
Oke, Dan.
Thank you. Yay, thank you. Thank you. I'm really happy. You also made A380 for me. Yay. Whoa, it says Emirates too. Thank you.
Do you like mommy cake?
Yeah.
That's what you want?
Yeah.
Emirates A380.
80.
80.
Thank you. Now I'm gonna put this on. you so much, Mummy, for everything. Thank you. So.
Happy birthday, sweetheart.
Thank you.
Right, now we pray first, okay?
Alright.
Maghrib, okay, Maghrib time. Alright.
What do you do, boy? What do you rest this? So you haven't done much. Hello, Yuri.
Hello, Bri.
That's the birthday cake.
Oh, lovely. Well done. Have you had a good day today?
Yeah.
Did all the class stand up to sing happy birthday? No.
Oh, I thought Richie already there.
He's probably busy working.
Maybe. Because Dallas' birthday, I said, so his request, he want to eat pizza. So our dinner is pizza.
It was. Well, it's his day today, isn't it?
Yes, it's his day. Whatever he said.
If he wants to eat horse manure, he can.
Yes, if he want to eat fish and chip, we eat fish and chip. Is it right, Daddy, Dallas?
Yeah.
This is your pizza ready now. See, Bri?
Your day today.
Your day today.
Your day today. Oh, still got a ribbon round this then.
Pizza birthday. Jadi kami makannya pizza hari ini.
Very nice, isn't it?
Dallas birthday, Dallas yang masak. Nasi goreng. Kanan
He's been watching his mummy ears.
Yes.
Alright, I'm ready.
Okay, you ready? Okay. Jadi pemirsa, Dallas masak nasi goreng ya. Tadi pizzanya sudah, sekarang nasi gorengnya dia yang masak karena dia yang suka.
And also leave some for Daddy.
Yes, leave some for Daddy and for Mommy.
What are you doing? Here's the worker. Hello. Oh, look at that. Anyway, did you have a good day today, Del?
Yeah.
Anyway, happy birthday, by the way. Forgot to tell you.
Your dinner ready if you want. Ready.
It's going to take him all night to open all those.
What, right?
It's going to take him a long time to open those.
Oh yes. Got plenty.
An Emirates A380. Unbelievable. It's very good. It's very good. Okay then. You're going to cook the cake. Grandad's on you for the cake.
Yes.
What are you going to go? Give him an engine or a wing, or are you going to give him the pilot seat, or what now?
Whatever. I'm having the wings though.
You're having the wings.
So you have to light it there. There's no fuse. You have to light it on top.
Do you?
Yeah, because that's like a... And then or like
Happy
birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Dallas. Happy birthday to you. Hold on. Are you 9 today? Okay. Play your candle out before you go.
It's very good. This is. I like it.
Where you're gonna sit? You're gonna sit up here one day. You're gonna be there with it flying.
no, I never.
Don't sit here.
No.
I don't want to be go.
We'll sit here alone, Richard.
Yeah, no. Sorry.
Oh God.
Ah, it's
Oh,
gone.
God. Oh,
Right,
God.
get the big knife out then, because we're only waiting for the cake now.
We'll have a bigger one next year.
After Mummy spent hours making it, we've got to cut it all up.
I like that one. It's nice, isn't it?
It's a,
Oh no, knife. That's mommy. Mommy was the.
you know, it's a shame to cut the cake.
Yes.
That was good.
Okay. So which bit you having?
So I'm having
So I'm cutting it like this.
this way
Okay.
to
That way. Yeah.
You're
Just.
taking the nose off first.
3, 2, 1.
Oh dear.
Aren't you going straight across it?
No. And then I'll
Oh
do
dear.
there.
Okay then. And now you've got your.
No,
No,
it's there.
is it there? Is that the bottom?
Yeah, that's the bottom.
Okay. Oh,
Oops. That's it.
there we go. There's one bit. On that one, or Grandad can have that one?
No, this one.
Is that yours?
That's it.
So what's Grandad having then? He's going to have the other bit of the
Yeah.
nose coat.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, this bit there. Oh, no one can get out the door now. The door's gone.
No, they can this side.
Oh, they've got to get out that
Oh,
side.
they get out of there.
Oh, okay.
The escape hatch.
Are you having some, Mummy?
Oh yes.
They can't fly anymore.
No.
Okay.
Oh, lovely.
There we go.
Hey,
Thank
can
you
I
very
have
much.
this
Do you want to?
Whatever you give to mommy.
A dish, Mummy?
As long as business class, daddy.
Oh yeah, we're getting. Mummy, should we get Mummy at the back in the video?
I'm having the wing.
You're having the wing. Okay.
Both.
You know, it was
Yeah.
a shame to cut it, wasn't it?
Yes.
Aye, all that hard work.
Here you go, sweetheart.
Thank
There
you.
we go.
sweetheart. So the flight cannot fly anymore.
Oh.
Mommy too.
I know. Daddy.
What a beautiful taste, you know.
Yes, it's a homemade. Even the cake.
Because I didn't get the cards, I want A380 Singapore Airlines
Yeah,
first
of
class.
course you would do.
Thank you.
So I can technically choose because I don't have the card.
Okay.
Sit down there, over there. That is mommy cake, I think.
No.
You kid, mommy cake. You got the pilot. Mommy business class.
Oh.
It is very nice.
Very nice, is it?
I'll eat it.
Very nice. You want? No.
Is it nice?
It's very nice. Do you want some, daddy?
No, I don't like cake, you know, I don't need that.
I know. But nice with that. Trust me.
Or is it sponge cake? Or,
Yeah.
lemon cake or whatever?
No, sponge.
One.
Sponge. Sponge cake.
Very nice.
Lemon
Very nice.
Yes, good. Jadi pemirsa segitulah apa kerucuk-kerucuknya ya tadi apa saking sibuk-sibuknya saya sampai gak sempat moto-motoin sana sini ya. Dan karena hari ini bener-bener hanya bikin ini aja, hari ini bikin kuenya terus sedikit dekorasi dan ya nggak buru-buru banget, jadi nggak sempet saya tadi videoin ya. Okay. So Dad, who
So
you give?
someone's a lucky lad. Look at all the gear he's had. He's
Yeah.
had more gear than a gear company.
So who will eat this cake then, Dad? You.
Has he got to take some to his friends?
You're not allowed.
So what you doing with this cake then?
Eat it.
Eat.
You know, it's-
You won't eat all
I'll
that.
tell you what, I can take it to the women at work will guzzle
Yeah.
that down. They'll be like guzzlers.
Yeah.
Can you
Do
bring
you
it
think
to work?
Jadi pemirsa segitu aja video hari ini. Ini yang birthday boy-nya.
Can play with you. What's happened to your head? You're having a bad hair day.
Sampai ketemu di video-video selanjutnya ya. Oke,
You're having a bad hair
bye.
day.